Zelle feels like cash, fast, simple, and easy to mess up if you're careless. Most Zelle myths come from thinking it works like a wallet app, but it doesn't. Zelle doesn't hold a balance, so money moves straight from your bank account like a direct transfer. That also means it's not a purchase with built-in buyer protection, and you usually can't just reverse it. If you send to the wrong recipient, fixing it can be tough. It's often fast and free, but not always instant or always $0. Zelle works best when you understand the routing. Your bank is the hub, not Zelle itself. You enroll inside your bank app, then your email or phone number becomes the address that points to your account. When you send, the money pulls from checking in most cases, not from a separate Zelle balance. The Zelle network mainly passes the instructions between banks. If the recipient isn't enrolled, the transfer can sit pending until they sign up. Speed and limits are where Zelle feels instant, but the fine print matters. A typical transfer lands in minutes, yet banks can delay some sends for review, and that can take 1 to 3 days. Your bank sets the caps, and many banks also enforce weekly limits, not just per transaction limits. The frustrating part is availability, and limits aren't always posted clearly in the app. And if you send to the wrong person, reversing it is often very hard. Zelle is safest when you treat it like handing someone cash, because authorized sends are usually final. A simple typo in the email or phone number can route money to the wrong recipient, and your bank may not be able to pull it back. Account takeover is different. If a fraudster breaks into your account, that's not you authorizing it, and you should report it immediately. But scams often count as authorized if you hit send. That's why Zelle and marketplaces don't mix. Verify before you send. A good rule is to match the payment tool to the situation, and Zelle is for trusted people. Use it for family, friends, or your own known contacts, not strangers selling something online. For purchases, a credit card is safer because chargebacks can cover fraud or non-delivery. For moving money to yourself, ACH transfers are usually better, even if they're slower. For truly urgent high-dollar moves, wires are built for speed and certainty. Before sending, confirm the recipient is enrolled and double-check every digit. If you authorize a Zelle transfer, your bank usually treats it as final, even if it was a scam. If you want to compare accounts and features based on how you actually bank, BankingHub shows a personalized match and the real dollar impact for your balance. Free, no login, no credit check. Links in the description.